Well, hey, it's Uncle Mike here. I'm at the Verizon Amphitheater. I'm going to be working today as a volunteer, selling stuff. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. Hey, you got to go bathroom? Pee freely. Yeah. So, it's going to be exciting. I don't know what I'm going to do. Stay tuned. Well, today here we're going to have, today is Point Fest. Several bands are going to be playing. It's going to be a crappy day. It's like a high of 50 something. I'm in shorts and a t-shirt. It's going to be interesting. Interesting to say the least. But they don't befront me. There's the stage. Rain, and that was a crazy ass day. Yeah, it was one messy concert. Sad thing is Katie and the wife just took over and working the shift till like 10 o'clock tonight. I worked from 8:30 to 3:30, and then they're 3:30 to 10. Ouch! All this we're raising money for pays like offsets the dues to Katie and Color Guard. So that's all I gotta say. Now I gotta go get the little Emily. Yeah, she's over at Big Sister's. Sister you haven't met yet. Yes, there is another sister. Teresa, she's 22. Well, that's where I'm at. Talk to you a little bit. Well, that was my day. I came home, put Emily in front of the TV, and Uncle Mike took a nap. I was pooped. Yes, it was an exciting day. Anywho, who beat ya? Have a great day. Actually, it's nighttime now. Or it could be day in your world. I don't know. But God love you. Or if you don't believe in God, then pray to that tree or whatever you like to do. Thank you very much. If this is the first time viewing Uncle Mike, please subscribe. If you don't want to subscribe, then go somewhere else. I don't really care. Thank you very much. Comment, love, share.